Hi everyone, this is me Vivian here in Hairstyle channel. As you see, I'm back again on YouTube. I've had my lovely 4 weeks vacation. That's why I was not active on YouTube. So I had really good time. I've been to the beach a couple of times. I've been for dinner a couple of times. Not too many times. As you know, for COVID-19 we have to be careful. So yeah, I did have a relaxing time. As you see, I have lovely tan skin and was amazing. What I also did was reading and watching some documentaries, and I should say there are 2 stories they really capture my attention and I would love to share them with you. So in the coming videos I will make 2 videos, but those 2 stories, they're amazing and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna share my opinion on them, and I think you will love it because it's amazing and we will learn a lot. We all will learn a lot from it. So stay tuned for that. And I want to say thank you very much for watching my video. Even though I didn't been active for a couple of weeks, you still watched my videos. So I really appreciate everyone out there watching my videos, because I just achieved almost 1 million views. So that's awesome. Without you, I could never done it. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and keep watching. That will motivate me to do more and more videos. So that's awesome. Thank you all. And if you have any requests, any questions, please write them here below in the comment section and I will answer them and get back to you as soon as possible. For now, I will say goodbye, have a great day, and you will see me very, very soon. Bye bye, ciao.